Welcome back to another boats and fishing video. In this video I drop a screwdriver and I break a machine. Enjoy! Right now I'm going to be patching up some holes in this boat. Here it is. We're probably going to have to buy another one. They're like 60 bucks and they're on sale right now. I don't know what happened. I was using it and just... So, now I need to sand it by hand. Which is definitely going to take some time.
2,000 years later.
My voice is really weird because it's raspy. I'm sorry about that. I just finished building this tarp and house on the boat, so now it's a lot easier to work on when it's raining. Well, I just finished patching everything up and sanding it down. Now it's time to clean everything and then paint. And then we're getting closer to finishing the boat. And hopefully, if I'm quick enough with this entire thing, I'll be painting it in this video. As of right now, there's so much water and everything over here. So we need to go ahead and clean that and dry that down. Just a lot of filth and dirt in here. This thing definitely needs some work. I just finished cleaning the entire boat. I still have to vacuum it, and then I think we can paint, but I'm not 100% sure. Here's how it's looking. As you can see, it's a lot cleaner. Inside these benches over here, so much nicer. In this area, gorgeous, kinda. Looks like new. One place where it was really dirty is over here. It's still quite dirty, but it's a lot better than it was. But for now, let's go and grab the vacuum and then we're done. Well, we have the vacuum and we have power. So, it's time to... Well, okay, I just finished cleaning everything up. I've done vacuuming, I've done everything. As you can see, this is so much nicer than it was before. But there's one problem that kinda sucks. If you remember from last video, I painted this thing and this thing over here. They came out looking super nice in the first week, but right now I'm noticing some bubbles, which means that there's water into there. So what we have to do to fix this problem is we're already going to be painting the entire thing. I'm just going to paint it again, but first, before I paint it, I'm going to sand all the bubbles down and then paint it. So this entire thing, or at least where the bubbles are, is going to be sanded, paint it again, paint all this, should all be white and beautiful, hopefully. I'll see you when it's done. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to watch the new one coming out soon, and hit that like button as well.